What's up, guys? We're here for another Dragon Ball Z episode. Chapter 2. Great Saiyan Man. Ooh, that sounds fun. Yeah, so Gohan's back to his normal life. He defeated Cell. He's a teenager now. He studies like his mom wanted him to. So yeah, we're going to school right now. Oh wait, gotta get my lunch. My rice ball and my milk. Thanks. Now let me go to school. Have a wonderful first day, Gohan. Thank you. On yesterday's video, how the screen was looking weird, I tried to fix that, but I wasn't able to because I don't know how to fix it. Anyways, let's get back to the video. Let's go. Oh, some bad guys. We gotta beat them up. Hey, leave them people alone. But first, let me turn Super Saiyan. Yeah. What's up, then? What's up? What you got? What you got? You ain't got nothing on me. Oh, you don't want that. Run! Trying to avoid everybody. Run. Run, go and run. Shit, looking, run! Hey, let's go to school now. Hercules mentioned that way. Where's this way? Ow, hit my face on the locker. So yeah. Yeah, I'm the new student. What's up, y'all? What's up? Yo, where am I gonna say? Can I say here? Yeah, thank you. Oh, what's up? Aressa, whatever your name is. yeah. What's up? Oh, yeah, I don't know about the Godfather. I don't even know who he is. Yeah, man. I don't even know who he is. Just let me know. Alright. Let's get out of school, man. Gotta go. What's up, yeah? Hey, have a good day. Watch out, homie. Watch out. Go. Yeah, we're gonna need a disguise for you, Gohan. People will know you're the Great Saiyan Man. Or the Gold Fighter as of right now. Let's go to Bulma's house! Let's go to Bulma's house now. Watch out. First, let me go get the capsule that we're gonna need for Bulma. Watch out. I think it's this way. Whatever, let's just keep going. Yep, it is here. Found it. Yeah. And then let's go back. Yeah. Woohoo. I'm coming, Bulma, with the capsule. Cause I need your help. Oh, what's up, Bulma? What's up? Yeah. We got the capsule. Yeah. Go make me the suit, man. Alright. There we go. It's a watch. Oh, I look so fabulous. Oh yeah. Now let's go kick some butt with the suit. Now time to run. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. I'm flying. Alright, let's go back to Hercules City. Oh, we're gonna go whip some butt. There we go, Hercules City. Oh no, not a thief. Hey, leave that lady alone. I'm gonna go kick your butt. Yeah, what's up? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? I'm the great Sandman, yo. Ride on to me. Let me do my dance first. Oh, you making fun of my suit? Come on, come on, come on. Oh, none of this. Just whip the butt. What's up, then? There's my noodles. Get your up. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let me level up, go, honey. There we go. What's up, then? Oh, another rice ball. I'm gonna be late for school. Oh, I need more thugs. Come on, come on. Chill up. What's up, then? Run, go on, run! Oh yeah, I heard about that superhero, you know what I mean? Yeah, he's called the Great Sandman, y'all better listen, y'all retarded or something. Uh-oh. Run, go get your girl! Your girl's leaving! Go get your girl! So yeah, I'll be back, I'm gonna go get my girl. Ah! Okay, let's go. We gotta go find her before she gets her butt whooped. We don't want her to die. Alright, let's go. Oh no! Shit just got serious. You wanna fight him? No, don't do something you're gonna regret. You're gonna get your butt whooped. Alright, let's go. Oh yeah, Great Sandman just appeared. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, she just got hit in the face. What's up? You wanna fight? Oh, just took that bad. Ow. See how easy that was? I am Sandman. Alright, telling you. See what's going on over here. Oh no. It's Chewy, they took him, man. I gotta go get him back, man. They just jacked it. Yeah, that's messed up, man. I agree with Gohan. I'm gonna go get it back, man. That's messed up. I wanna go return it back to its mommy. Time to whoop the butts. Give me back the dinosaur. Give me back the dinosaur. Whoops, sorry about the lag. What's up? What's up, man? What's up, man? What you got? Is that all you got? What's up, then? I'll take it all on. Of course it's the right thing to do, Gohan. Let's go. Gotta go return them, man. Oh, my thugs. What's up, then? What's up? Yeah. Step out my way. Ow. What's up, man? What's up? How'd you like that? Oh no! I think I'm a thief, but I'm not a thief. It's the tank. Ow. What's up, then? It's destroyed the tank. What's up? Oh, you haven't killed me. Psych. What's she wanting? Trust me. I'm not Robin. Oh, you see, her parents are here. His parents are here. Ooh, that's good. Yeah, go back with your parents. Oh, busted. Oh no. God, how much you do this time? What? You want me to compete in the tournament? No. Okay. God, I hate daggers making me go in the tournament. Oh yeah, Goku. Let's go! Goku's coming back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's right. Goku's coming back. Goku's coming back. Well, that's it for today. I'll upload the next video tomorrow. Save it on slot. See you later, guys.